In today's video, I'll show you how to change the theme on HyperOS 3.0 if you want to customize your Xiaomi, Redmi, or Poco phone with a new look. Search for theme apps. You must sign in with a Xiaomi account or you won't be able to download anything from the theme apps. Select Themes. You can download any themes of your choice from here. Again, if you want, you can search for your favorite themes. This way you can download and use more different themes.